friends, it's Miss Michelle with my friend Miss Mimi.
And I'm Mimi.
And Mr. Toby's playing the guitar in the background. Let's carve a pumpkin. Look, it's a jack-o'-lantern. It has a face. We're gonna cut the top first. Cut. Then we're gonna take off the top.
Ready? Ooh, we're gonna pull.
Good job, Mimi.
There you go.
Cut the eyes.
2 eyes. Boom. Here's another eye. 1, 2, 3, set. Boom. Up.
Okay, now the nose. Let's cut.
Here's the nose. Ooh, ready? Ooh, pop.
And the mouth.
Happy. Look at all this.
This is a safe knife too.
Ready? Ooh, it's gonna pop.
Oh boy! Now the fun part, boys and girls. We're gonna get all the good stuff out of there, all the guts. Let's go, Mimi.
My turn. I am going to pull all the pumpkin seeds out. Slimy.
My turn. Ooh, it's cold and gooey. Ooh, feels so good.
Oh, let's get more pumpkin seeds out. Oh, it's so gooey.
My turn. Ooh, it's slimy and cold and gooey. Oh, I love it. Oh, Mimi.
It smells so good. I like the smell. I'm gonna put them all in the bowl. Pour. Slimy. I like it.
I'm gonna use a spoon, Mimi, to get some more stuff
Let's
out.
do some scooping.
Scoop.
Oh, my turn to scoop. Ooh, I'm gonna dig and pull more pumpkin seeds out, and I'm gonna put it in.
Okay, let's put the seeds in a little bowl now, Miss Mimi.
Okay, Miss Michelle.
Let's have fun and pop them in there.
Oh, ready? Pop. Oh, that's so cool.
Pop. Oh,
My turn.
pop.
Slimy and slippery. Pop. So much fun. Pop. Ready? My turn. Ready? Pop, pop. Oh my goodness, guys. Pop. Look at all that.
Oh, that's so much fun.
Squishy and slimy.
Do this at home, friends. Okay? Do this at home. You'll have so much fun.
Yes.
Show them a little more, Miss Mimi.
Ooh, here's more. Ready? I'm just gonna